Welcome to the edge of eye care, where curiosity meets clarity. In this series, we'll challenge myths and reveal truths about eye health, keeping you suspended in a state of wonder. Dive deep with us into the questionable and the known. Your vision's journey starts now. Let's start with the basics. Your eyes are complex organs that require attention and care. From the retina to the cornea, every part plays a crucial role in how you see the world. 1. Understanding your eyes. The eyes work by allowing light to enter through the cornea, pupil, and lens, which focus the light onto the retina at the back of the eye. The retina contains cells that convert light into electrical signals, which are sent through the optic nerve to the brain. The brain then processes these signals to create a visual image. This intricate process enables us to see the world around us, perceive depth, color, and detail. Taking care of our eyes through regular checkups and healthy habits is essential to maintaining good vision. But how do you keep them healthy? The relationship between screen time and eye health is crucial in our digital age. Extended periods in front of screens can lead to digital eye strain, characterized by dryness, irritation, and difficulty focusing. This is because we blink less often when looking at screens, reducing tear production. Moreover, the blue light emitted from screens can affect our sleep patterns by disrupting the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. The 20-20-20 rule is a simple yet effective way to mitigate these effects. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break to look at something 20 feet away. Reducing strain and supporting overall eye health. Protective measures are fundamental to maintaining eye health, particularly in environments where our eyes are exposed to potential harm. Wearing sunglasses is essential to shield eyes from harmful UV rays, which can lead to cataracts, macular degeneration, and other eye problems. Similarly, using protective eyewear during activities that pose a risk of injury like sports or working with hazardous materials prevents physical damage to the eyes. Additionally, in the era of digital devices, blue light filtering glasses can help minimize the risk of digital eye strain and disruption to sleep patterns by blocking or absorbing the blue light emitted from screens. Incorporating these protective practices into daily life safeguards eye health and preserves vision quality. Common eye issues. For instance, a simple cucumber slice treatment involves placing chilled cucumber slices over closed eyes for 10–15 minutes. This can reduce puffiness and refresh tired eyes due to its high water content and cooling effect. Another example is a warm compress, soaking a clean cloth in warm water and placing it over your eyes for a few minutes can help relieve dryness and irritation by stimulating tear production. Aloe vera, known for its healing properties, can be applied around the eyes, avoiding direct contact with the eye to soothe and moisturize the skin. Green tea bags, cooled after steeping, can be placed on closed eyelids to take advantage of antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect against UV damage. Lastly, practicing eye exercises, like focusing on distant objects periodically during screen time, can help reduce eye strain. Stay hydrated and quit smoking. Hydration and smoking cessation play vital roles in preserving eye health. Adequate water intake ensures eyes are well lubricated, reducing dryness and discomfort. Smoking, a major risk factor for eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration, significantly harms ocular health. By staying hydrated and quitting smoking, you can protect your eyes from dehydration and toxic damage, thereby maintaining clearer vision and promoting overall eye wellness. Nutrition plays a crucial role in maintaining good eye health. A diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can help protect the eyes from damage caused by aging, UV rays, and other environmental factors. Nutrients such as vitamin A, C, E, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids are particularly important for maintaining healthy vision and reducing the risk of eye diseases such as cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. It is important to eat a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and fish to support overall eye health. In conclusion, prioritizing eye health is vital for maintaining clear vision and overall well-being. By adopting simple yet effective practices such as regular eye exams, protective measures, healthy lifestyle choices, and homemade remedies, We can safeguard our eyes against common issues and promote long-term vision health. Remember, a proactive approach to eye care not only enhances our quality of life, but also ensures that we continue to see the world with clarity and vitality for years to come. Thank you for watching our eye health tutorial. Remember, taking care of your eyes is a crucial part of your overall health. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Stay healthy and see the world clearly.